So when we're sitting at work all day, it's very easy to forget to move. And there's some simple exercises that you can do that only take a few minutes, and they just remind your body that it can move. So we're going to do those now. And we're going to start with a neck roll, bringing our head down across the chest from side to side. Just allowing your head to drop and roll across your chest, one side to the other. And from here we're then going to do a neck stretch, just bringing your head towards your shoulder on either side, keeping your arms nice and heavy and relaxed. And then we're going to do some shoulder rolls, bringing your shoulders up and back. And then in the other direction, bringing them down and forwards. And coming a little bit forward in your chair, you can then go into a chest stretch, just clasping your hands behind you and just stretching your chest forwards. Maybe taking a couple of deep breaths. And then from here we're going to just twist our torso from side to side, keeping your arms nice and heavy and loose. Then we're going to go into some pelvic tilts. So you're tilting the front of your pelvis down and forwards, and then up and back, down and forwards, up and back. This just helps to loosen your lower back. And then we're going to do some calf raises, just coming up onto your tiptoes and down, just helping to pump the blood back up through your calves. And then some ankle rotations. First one direction, and then we can go in the other direction. And then we can just turn our foot, twisting it from side to side. And we'll do the same with the other foot, doing some rotations with the ankle. First in one direction, and then back in the other direction. And then twisting your foot from side to side. And there we go. So this only takes a few minutes to do, and you can do it a couple of times a day at work. And it really just helps to remind your body that it can move, and that just helps you feel more alert and helps you during your working day.